You don't need to go to a typical chain big box gym, have lots of machines, or a monthly membership to change your life. You don't even need to be a fitness fanatic. All you need is a garage, a few tools, and the ability to show up, hot or cold, any time of day. Today I'm showing you how to build a powerful home workout space, DIY style, with resistance bands, adjustable dumbbells, and your own determination. Let's get into it. A garage gym gives you control. It's your space, your pace, and your schedule. No waiting for machines, no gym crowd, just you, your goals, and your effort. Whether you're new to fitness or getting back into it, a garage setup can grow with you. It can be as simple or advanced as you want it to be. Start small and build up as your commitment builds. You can start with a yoga mat, some dumbbells, or bands. Then, over time, you can add cables, a barbell setup, box jumps, or even a punching bag as you go. You can even add in a Peloton if you enjoy that more than going outside for a bike ride. The point is, you can tailor it to your specific needs without wasted space. These are just a few ideas of many other things you could add based on how you want to train. What would you add first for your home gym? What's in your setup? Leave comments below, let us know. I speak as someone who personally has spent his fair share of time in the garage working out. Right now I work out in a hot, humid garage in Texas, and I love it. When I started working out, I spent plenty of time in commercial gyms and earning my personal training certification. It was all I knew, whether it was an Anytime Fitness, YMCA, or 24-hour fitness. In full transparency, when I first set up my home garage gym setup, I didn't use it right away. I was so used to driving, going to the gym, and working out with others that it took me a few months to fully transition. I had my routine, and the shift mentally took time. Then, when I made the switch, I wished I had done so sooner. I no longer had to drive back and forth and waste time and gas. I could pick the exact equipment I needed and use it when I wanted without having to wait for someone else. Also, if I was tired and missed a morning workout, I could still get a quick one in for a break during the day or work out at night when time allowed. The convenience, ability to increase consistency, frequency, and creating your own space was huge. It was a game changer. For anyone who's curious, I currently have resistance bands, adjustable dumbbells, a rowing machine, a punching bag, a rack, and a barbell setup. This was collected over years, not right away. It was an investment, but saves you overall. For those starting out, I would recommend a strong, functional garage setup on a budget. First, resistance bands. They're portable, effective, and surprisingly powerful. You can use them at different levels of resistance as well. They're great for warm-ups, muscle activation, and full body workouts. I use them to target muscles and feel a good squeeze or pump when doing isolation moves. As a bonus, you can take them anywhere with you. I've taken them on many trips when I've been in a hotel room and the gym setup was less than ideal. If this content so far has interested you, please consider hitting like and subscribing. I appreciate it so much. Check the description for the free downloadable version of the garage workout plan I go over later in the video as well. Next, I would definitely recommend adjustable dumbbells. They save space and money while letting you hit every single muscle group. Start light, then increase as you get stronger. They'll cost a little more up front, but will save you in the long run. One adjustable set can go from 5 to 55 pounds all in one. You can adjust and use it for anything from a bicep curl to tricep kickback to side lateral raises, all within the same set. Also, make sure to get a mat or a rubber flooring. Protect your body and your floor. Comfort and safety go a long way. This will help you from wrecking the weight or your elbows. Don't forget a bench or box. This will help you with your flat, decline, incline, presses, step-ups, and dips. A flat surface adds versatility and numerous options for exercise. I would recommend one with wheels so you can move it easily in and out. An optional add-on that you could expand with, a couple ideas, would be a pull-up bar or a doorway bar. These attach easily to most doorways and you can find them for 25 to 30 bucks. Another option could be a foam roller, which will help you massage and work out your tissue. You can even add a jump rope in for conditioning. You don't need it all at once. Start with what fits your goals and budget. These are just ideas of what you can add in as you add to your setup. Tailor it to what you like and you will forget why you even drove 20 minutes to the gym in the first place. Now let's put it into action. Here's a full body workout using just resistance bands and dumbbells. A similar version will also be in the description for reference, so you can start working out right after this video. Warm up 3 to 5 minutes. Do band pull-aparts, arm circles, light squats, mix in some jumping jacks as well. Sets of 30 to 35 or 30 seconds each are great. Here's your circuit to repeat for 3 to 4 rounds. Do a goblet squat with a dumbbell, 10 repetitions. Resistance band rows with tricep kickbacks, 12 reps each. Push-ups or incline push-ups, 10 to 15 reps. Do a dumbbell shoulder press with standing bicep curl, 10 reps. Banded glute kickback, 20 per leg. For your core, do a plank or band Russian twist, 30 seconds or 30 per side. Rest 30 seconds between exercises, then rest 1 to 2 minutes between rounds. Fitness isn't about perfection, it's about progression. You don't need the biggest setup or the newest best gear. A basic setup that allows you to do compound lifts, recruiting multiple muscles together, will yield dividends. It takes consistency, and the truth is, your garage could be the best place to start. It takes away excuses such as drive time, occupied gym equipment, or even social anxiety. No distractions, no comparisons, just you, focused on becoming stronger, healthier, and more confident in the comfort of your own space. You'll be surprised what you can build in your body and in your life when you build your own space. As you become more fit, you will feel more confident, and it will translate into other areas such as your personal life, family, and work. Now here are a few quick tips to stay consistent. Schedule your workouts like appointments. Don't skip them. Just like you would not skip your protein shake or brushing your teeth, this should be part of your routine. If you have a set time or have it written down, it will become a habit. Keep your space clean and inviting. Treat it like a sanctuary. Don't leave clothes scattered or covering the workout area. This will just discourage you from actually using it. Next, track your progress, whether it's reps, weight, new workouts, how you felt, or the days you showed up. If you worked out one more day or added 5 pounds to lift, celebrate it. This leads into celebrating small wins. One workout leads to the next. When it becomes a part of your day, you feel weird when you miss it. Start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe, and check the description for the free downloadable garage workout plan to get you started and build upon for reference. This is your journey. As always, we try to bring practical fitness advice you can use right away. Drink your protein, get moving, and break into that garage space for workout time.